Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review JetBlue A321LR Business Class. JetBlue's A321LR Mint experience redefines transatlantic travel with its focus on comfort and privacy. You'll find a dedicated business class cabin designed for a truly premium journey. Each Mint suite offers a personal sanctuary, ensuring a restful flight across the ocean. It's an excellent option for those seeking an elevated experience without the typical premium price tag. Stepping into your Mint suite, you'll immediately notice the thoughtful design. A sliding door provides enhanced privacy, creating your own personal haven in the sky. The spacious seat effortlessly transforms into a fully lie-flat bed, perfect for catching up on sleep during your journey. Plus, a large 17-inch entertainment screen offers a wide selection of movies and shows to keep you entertained. JetBlue Mint elevates your dining experience with a delicious, curated menu featuring a selection of small plates. You can choose several options to create your perfect meal. Enjoy complimentary alcoholic beverages throughout your flight, from fine wines to craft beers. A well-appointed amenity kit is also provided, ensuring you have everything needed to feel refreshed upon arrival. So, is JetBlue Mint worth it? Many travelers find the combination of privacy, lie-flat comfort, and excellent service to be a fantastic value, especially compared to other business class offerings. For long-haul flights, the ability to truly relax and arrive refreshed is invaluable. If you prioritize a premium experience without an exorbitant cost, Mint is definitely worth considering. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.